Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add 3D zoom in CapCut PC. Okay, first things first, open your web browser and go to remove.pg and select your photo and click on remove background. Click then on upload image and select your photo from your local storage. Then, click upload image again. The edited image then with the background removed will be downloaded to your device. In your CapCut PC application, click on Import, then navigate to your downloads and import the image you edited in the previous step. Place it then on the timeline on the top of the original photo or video clip. Select then the top image and click on Create Keyframes. This allows you to set keyframes for the scale. After that, move the timeline bar to the desired point. Increase the scale of the top image to create the 3D zoom effect. This will give you the impression of zooming in. Move then the timeline bar forward to the another point and slightly decrease the scale of the image to create a slight zoom out effect. Now, select the original video clip or photo and create keyframes and move the timeline forward. Decrease then the scale of the original clip slightly to create the opposite zoom effect. After that, just play the video and check if the 3D zoom effect has been successfully applied. You can now make further adjustments if needed. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now add 3D zoom in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.